conflicts between employees requires a full and proactive approach to solve problems effectively and keep a peaceful work atmosphere. If you are a manager or team leader, it is crucial to tackle conflicts quickly and fairly. You want to promote open communication and attentive listening to grasp the actual core of the conflict and understand everyone's perspectives. Foster a positive discussion where the team members can voice their concerns and collaborate to find solutions that work for everyone. Encourage the employees to focus on the real issues rather than resorting to personal attacks, and also you want to guide them towards finding some common ground and resolving the actual conflict. Offer support, guidance, and meditation as needed to assist employees throughout the conflict resolution process. Cultivate a work environment based on respect, empathy, and teamwork to prevent any future conflicts and cultivate a positive and efficient workplace where differences are recognized and appreciated.